Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to check credit score on Borrowell. So you just come here to borrowell.com and you can sign up for free, okay, to get your free credit score checked in Canada. Very easy, in under 3 minutes. You just come here, click on sign up for free and go through the process, okay? And once you've signed up, once you go and click on sign up, there's no credit card required, don't worry. Once you've signed up though, you can download your Equifax credit report for free. And you can check your credit score anytime without hurting it, okay? You'll also receive weekly updates, so just come here, click on sign up for free, and go through the process, okay? You'll have to enter your email address, confirm it, put in your password, and then just go ahead and create your account, and then later it will ask you additional details, such as your full name, social security number, things like that, okay? Your tax number. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions. Remember guys, it's completely free.